Hey guys, here's a simple recipe that helps soothe cough and cold during this season change. Heat 1 tablespoon of ghee and 1 tablespoon of besan and cook it for around 3 to 4 minutes on low flame till you find it brown and aromatic. Add half cup of milk and half cup of water to it. You can even add pinch of nutmeg powder if you feel like, little haldi, pepper, and give it a nice stir and cook it for 6 to 7 minutes. Make sure that you take care of the consistency. Add in some honey and raisins. Serve hot. Stay safe.